Hi everyone, today I will change the wipers on Chevy Sonic passenger and driver side. I took the wipers with universal adapters. Now I will remove the old ones and select the right adapter from the set. The wipers are very worn out and need to be replaced. The connectors here is called pinch tab. To remove the old wiper, press the buttons on both sides and pull down. Look for the same connector in the kit and install it on the wiper. Install the new wiper on the car and remove the protective cover. Do the same on the driver's side.